Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of the Elder Gods game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, fatal error or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game so that you can play the game without any further problem. So make sure your PC have all the required specs. You just have to go below and here we'll find the system requirements to play the game. Make sure all these required specs are available on your PC and after that launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, select right click on it, click on properties. Under general here, you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder. Here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then try to launch the game and see if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and try to play it and see if it's working. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and now here you have to search for the game. The game is listed over here. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update option, click on check for updates, wait for some time, it will check if there is any update available. As you can see, it's showing checking for updates. So if there is any update available, click on it, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So make sure no apps are running in the background that are not useful. For that, you just have to go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background processes tab, here you have to check for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. You simply have to select it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and see if it's working now. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So it's suggested to check the settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, you have to go below and click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So you have to click on it. Now wait for some time. Once this is completed, close this, restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game once again and then check if you can play it. Next is to increase virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288 and in the maximum size, type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, click on arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance, and after that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Call of Elder Gods game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Call of the Elder Gods game, and then finally click on the play button to check if the game is launching or not. So using these methods, you can easily fix Call of the Elder Gods game crashing, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.